Nabanggit na rin lang yung word na pagmamahal. Gaano,
Kinakabahan ako dito ah.
kumusta na ang lagay ng puso mo? Nasaan na siya ngayon?
The last time I checked, I left my heart in America.
Was there a time na kinonsider mo na mag-propose to that person?
I'll tell you, pinagmamalaki ko ang pagkatao at ang paghanga ko kay Chris Aquino.
Mahal mo pa rin siya.
Mahal ko siya. I'm proud of my love. I'm proud of what we have. You're gonna get me into trouble.
Sorry not intentional ito, di ba? Magandang araw Pilipinas at sa ating mga kababayan sa ibang bansa. Welcome to TikTok with Astor Amoyo. Sa araw na ito mga kaibigan ay isa na naman pong special na personalidad ang ating makakakwentuhan. Popular, politician, occasional model and actor, and a dear friend. Mga kaibigan, let's all welcome Vice Governor Mark Leviste!
Thank you very much, Tita Astor, for having me. Okay, nagpapasalamat po that 3 weeks ago, we chanced upon each other at napag-usapan nga po natin ang pagbisita ko sa inyong studio at palatuntunan. Tita Astor, you're special. You've known my family, yung magulang ko for a long time, and it's an honor to be part of your popular program.
Wow!
And I'm excited to do this
Likewise,
kwentuhan.
Likewise. Mga kaibigan, kung alam nyo lang, ang bango-bango ni Vice Go. Tingnan mo na, napaka-fresh looking. Bakit kaya?
Tita Astor, sa awa ng Diyos,
Yes.
all is well. All good. Papasalamat ako sa Panginoon na siksik, liglig at umaapaw ang biyaya na nararamdaman, natatanggap ko po, at ito naman ay ibinabahagi ko sa aking mga mahal sa buhay, sa mga natutulungan natin at higit na nangangailangan ng aking serbisyo at pamumuno o liderato.
You've been in the public service for how long?
Well, if I would include my stint with the Sangguniang Kabataan from 1996 to 2002, I've been around for almost 30 years.
Wow!
Opo. Subalit, dun sa tinatawag na Big League, I became a board member in 2004 representing the 4th District of Batangas. After one term, I leveled up to being Vice Governor. Ako po ay nanungkulan bilang Vice Gobernador ng Batangas sa loob ng 9 na taon o 3 termino bilang Vice Governor ni Ate V.
Yes, I remember you. Yes, of course. And,
Vilma Santos.
And she speaks highly of you.
Thank you. And,
and she's watching.
Hi Ate V.
Oh,
Hi,
V is
ma'am.
always watching
Boss.
this program. Hi, V!
I am a bona fide Vilmanian.
Oh, yeah.
Not only as her vice governor, but I am an avid follower of Ate V. Up to this day on, I admire her not only for her leadership skill, but now more than ever, being a grandmother.
Yes.
To, the
Matagal na
child
niyang
of Lucky.
wini-wish yun. Yes,
Opo.
yes. Oh.
After my stint with Ate V in 2016, nagpahinga po ako ng isang termino dahil I've already exhausted my full 3 terms as a local government official. Nung panahon na nagpahinga ako sa politika, doon naman po ako nagkaroon ng programa sa DZMM, Teleradyo ng ABS-CBN.
Right. I remember, yes.
Yeah, so I had a 1.5-year stint with our Kapamilyas. Tapos nagtangka po akong bumalik ulit sa politika in 2019 at sa awa ng Diyos, napagbigyan po ulit akong maglingkod sa aming lalawigan bilang Vice Gobernador muli. In 2022, most recent national elections, I won my 5th term
Wow.
as Vice Governor.
Uh-huh.
So, in my new tenure, this is my 2nd term again to serve the province of Batangas as their Vice Governor.
I'm just wondering, I mean, you've been vice governor for so long. Bakit mo hindi ka kumakandidato sa pagka-governor?
I tried, Tita Astor. In 2016, nung last term po namin ni Governor Vilma bilang Vice Governor and Governor, si Ate V, respectively, I attempted to run for governor. Unfortunately, I missed it by a mere 3% or
Wow.
equivalent to around 30,000 votes
Yes.
during that time in 2016. Ang nanalo po nung panahon na yon ay si dating gobernador at kasalukuyang gobernador Dodo Mandanas. When I made a comeback as vice governor in 2019, ako ang kinuha niya bilang running mate. Mula noon, hanggang ngayon, magkasama po kami na naglilingkod sa pamahalaan panlalawigan sa Kapitolyo ng Batangas.
So meron ka pang 2 terms.
I have one more term.
One more term pala.
If I so decide to use my last term, I can still run as Vice Governor in 2025.
In your case ba, gusto mo rin pasukin ang mas mataas na posisyon aside from being a governor?
Ako'y naniniwala, ang politika, or even life in general, is destiny. Some people say
I agree.
the governorship, just like the presidency,
Yes.
is destiny. Bagaman libre mangarap, ipinauubaya ko sa Panginoon kung saan ako dalhin ng aking tadhana, kung ano ang aking kapalaran mula sa ating Panginoon, siyang aking gagampanan at tatanggapin.
Bakit pinasok mong politika? Considering that your family is also known businessmen.
That's a good question, Tita. My father was a
Conrad.
businessman,
Yeah.
Conrad Leviste.
Yeah.
In fact, our family business is property development and real estate management. Ever since, kahit nung bata po ako, I've been a people person. When I took up college, I enrolled marketing management. Nung totoy pa po ako, tandang-tanda ako, nakakita ako ng Polaroid na picture. Kung
Yes.
naalala
Yes,
niyo pa yung
yes,
Polaroid.
of course.
Isinulat ng aking mamay o lolo. Sa amin kasi sa Batangas, mamay ang tawag sa grandfather. Mark Anthony. Mark Anthony pa ang tawag niya sa akin. Kasi ang aking buong pangalan or full name ay Jose Antonio. Palayaw ko lamang po ang Mark.
Yes.
Sabi niya,
Layo, wala nga dun sa Jose Antonio, di
Tama.
ba? Oo.
Mark Anthony will be the future president of the Philippines.
Wow.
And I was, I guess, 2-3 years old if I would base the image on the photo. Long story short, hindi naman po ako pinilit. Walang nag-udyok sa akin mula sa aming pamilya na ako ay pumasok sa politika. Sa katunayan, laging pinapaalala sa amin, magkakapatid, ng aming ama, ni Papa, na kami ay mag-focus sa aming negosyo, na maipagpatuloy namin kanyang real estate firm, na makapag-develop din po kami ng sarili namin mga townhomes, subdivisions, condominiums, tulad ng kanyang sinimulan, tulad kung saan siya nakilala. Subalit, nandito talaga ang aking damdamin. I'm really passionate about public service and leadership. That's why I'm not surprised that my children are able to somewhat follow my footsteps. I have 3 kids, boy, girl, and boy. My eldest son is our current vice mayor in the municipality
Wow.
of Lian.
Wow.
Lian, Batangas.
That's your hometown, right?
Yes,
Lian.
one of our hometowns.
Yes.
Ang prominenteng bahagi ng Lian ay ang Matubungkay Beach.
Oh, yes.
Kilala po ito
Yes.
noong dekada 80.
Yes. Up to now naman eh. Oo.
Opo.
Oo.
So ngayon may re-emergence ng Matubungkay Beach dahil meron tayong conscious effort on clearing up Matubungkay Beach, panatiliing malinis, maayos, maliwalas para po sa mga locals, ganun din sa mga dayuhan. On the other hand, my daughter, si Ariel, siya ay nag-aral sa Estados Unidos. She studied in Pepperdine University, Malibu, California. And she took up the course of non-profit, minor in business management.
May ganun pala.
Meron po.
Oo,
So
oo.
para siyang NGO worker.
Yes.
After more than a year of staying in the States, well, actually, total of 4 years yan. Pero yung kalagitnaan ng kanyang pag-aaral sa kolehiyo, tinamaan ng pandemya. Big part of her college life was online. Or yung tinatawag
Yes.
nilang Zoom University.
Right.
Nakapagtapos na po siya. And she works for a non-profit organization
Wow.
that is based in Los Angeles. However, she decided to come home to the Philippines and she's able to continue her civic work in far-flung places, in
Talaga?
marginalized sectors of our society. Sa katunayan, kamakailan, kakauwi lang po niya galing Tacloban at sila ay nagkaroon ng medical mission para magpagamot ng mga bata na may sakit o problema sa puso. At yun po ang kanyang hilig.
Nakakatuwa naman yung anak mo, si
Opo,
Ariel.
so kahit
di ba?
hindi politika or politics,
Yes. And she's helping people.
public service pa rin.
Yeah, public service pa rin.
Opo.
So your eldest son, of course si Ronin, napakabata pa, pinasok ng politika.
Yes, he won as vice mayor at the age of 23.
Wow.
If I'm not mistaken, siya po ang naging pinakabatang vice alcalde, hindi lang sa Batangas, kung hindi sa isla ng Luzon. And he really enjoys his work and he's able to showcase his own brand of leadership to our constituents in Lian.
Si C2,
Yes.
ano naman ang interes?
C2 is my youngest son. He is 16 years
Conrad
old.
din, di ba?
Conrad.
Named after your father.
Kaya nga
diba?
C2 eh.
C2, yes.
Conrad the
second,
second.
yes.
Yes.
Oo.
Para siyang junior
Right.
ng daddy ko. On his own is a leader. He is a very active member of the Student Council of LaSalle Green Hills. Noon pa man, siya ay aktibo sa student government ng kanyang paaralan. Halos Halos araw-araw, nakikita ko, meron siyang mga pagpupulong, online meetings with his fellow student council members. They were preparing for the opening of school, for the new school year. He told me that they're preparing for several activities, school fairs, junior, senior prom. He's also active with LaSalle Green Hills golf team. So he's able to showcase
LaSalle
his
ka rin,
leadership
di ba?
there. Yes.
LaSalle ka
Lahat
rin.
po kami.
Okay.
May dugong berde.
Yes, yes.
Or some would say green-minded. In a good way.
Yes,
of
yes,
course.
yes.
Ako, ang aking mga kapatid, ganun din ang aking mga magulang, at syempre ang aking mga anak, lahat kami, lasalista sa puso at sa dugo. Ako naman, hindi para pigilan ko sila pasukin ng politika kung gusto nila. One thing I've noticed or observed from other political families,
They
minsan
push them, di ba?
pinipilit nila
Yeah, right.
ang kanilang dependents na sumunod sa kanilang yapak, at ang iba sa kanila hindi nagtatagumpay kasi siguro wala sa kanilang puso.
But in your case, you did not encourage your children
No.
na pumasok sa
No,
politika.
all that they do in as far as service and leadership is concerned is on their own, voluntary on their part, and I'm very, very proud of them. They can expect my full 100% support. Sa amin sa Batangas may kasabihan, Tita Aster, ibigay ang hilig ng walang ligalig.
Oo nga, no? Oo nga. You get married so young. You were only 20 when you get married.
Yes, I got married at a young age of 20 years old in 1998. That relationship still lasted for a good 10 years.
How are you with your ex-wife?
I choose to keep that private.
All right, I understand.
Yes, we have our own separate lives. We
But
hardly
as
talk.
parents to your kids,
I'm proud of my parenthood. I may not be a perfect father, but I really strive to provide anything and everything that they want for as long as I can manage.
how do you bond with your children?
Many ways. It's a good thing that we share almost the same interests and hobbies and passion in life. Isa na po dyan ang golf. You can imagine.
Pati si Ariel,
Yes,
nag-golf din?
opo,
Oh,
opo.
talaga?
We try to play all together. When we train, sama-sama rin po kami. When we watch golf tournaments, we follow it all together. Other than golf, we watch movies
Together.
together. Yes,
Talaga?
together.
You eat out.
Yes, we always eat out regularly. Sometimes we eat at home, but most of the time we eat out. We celebrate Mass together.
Katuwa naman,
Importante
no?
po sa amin yun.
Yes, yes.
Ano pa man ang iyong mga lakad at mga commitments, laging pinapaalala ko sa aking mga anak, always find and make time for the family. It's not whether you're hungry or not. Para sa akin,
Sino magkasama-sama?
mahalaga
Yes.
na tayo ay magkakasama. May kasabihan nga ulit kami sa Batangas na ang sarap ng hapagkainan ay wala sa tanghalian kung hindi nasa huntahan.
Ah, yes. Oo,
Hindi po
totoo,
ba?
totoo.
Yung kahalagahan ng oras para sa pamilya, quality time for the family.
Sino si Mark Leviste na hindi pa alam ng publiko?
Sabi ng nanay ko, balambing daw ako. Tatlo kami magkakapatid. All
All
three
boys.
boys.
All boys.
Sa akin
So-
pagkaalam. Kilala mo ang father ko. Kilala mo ang tatay namin.
Alala.
Kayo magsabi sa akin. No, but kidding aside, sa aming tatlong magkakapatid, siguro ako na ang pinaka malambing at simpatiko sa nanay namin.
Mag-agree kayo yung dalawang kapatid?
Siguro.
You're in the middle, right?
Ha?
You're in the middle.
Yes,
Isa-
I'm a middle child,
middle
second of
child,
three.
oh.
Makikita din naman on the way I manage my social media when I write
Ang sipag mo
captions.
nga eh. Ang sipag mo nga
Opo,
eh.
na
Oo.
medyo nahiligan.
And you're the only one.
In fact,
Oo.
even to be compared to my own children,
Oo.
yung mga millennial, si C2, Gen Z na nga, ganun din yung mga pamangkin ko. Siguro mas aktibo pa ako kaysa sa kanilang lahat kahit ipagsama-sama pa. Even when I write my captions, when I post photos and share my life or memories on social media, I really painstakingly think about my feelings and my emotions. At ako, very vocal. I'm very
Yes,
expressive.
yes, yes,
I'm very
yes.
expressive.
Ah.
Pag gusto ko ang isang tao o bagay, talagang ipinapaalam ko. I don't shy away from expressing my feelings, especially if it's a happy moment.
This guy, napaka-simple. Karamihan ng mga politicians, merong battalion of bodyguards. Itong taong to, siya lang mag-isa. Siya ang nagdadrive, walang driver. Talagang, alam mo,
Kita
ako
mag-tsaka pa.
saludo, hindi anak, saludo ako doon. Bibihira na pag nakapwesto, isang politiko, isang kilalang personalidad, hindi pwedeng walang mga security, hindi pwedeng walang mga alalay, hindi pwedeng, but in your case, ako, saludo ako doon. Why?
Ito po yung nakasanayan ko. I got used to it. Noon pa man, hindi po ako mahilig mag-bodyguard. Minsan may driver ako, especially kung alam kong malayo ang aking pupuntahan at
Galing ka ng
mahabang
Batangas
araw.
nito ngayon, ha?
Yes, opo.
At babalik ka pa ng Batangas after this
Yes, opo.
kwentuhan.
Maliban sa nakasanayan, this is my me time. Aster, believe it or not, marami ako naiisip kapag ako ay mag-isa sa kotse. Nakakapag-isip ako patungkol sa trabaho, nakakapag-isip ako ng mga bagay na gusto kong gawin, nakakapag-isip ako ng mga bagay na gusto kong ipaalala sa aking mga staff. It's my comfort zone. Pangalawa, enjoy din ako mag-drive. I used to race cars back in the day. I raced for Ford for 2 years. Whenever I'm on the road, when I take the wheel, it gives me pleasure. I'm able to do what I enjoy the most.
And you're still young naman kasi, di ba?
Sa awa ng
Oo,
Diyos.
diba?
Well, I still consider myself young.
What's important is talaga, ini-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo.
Higit sa lahat, Tita Aster, sa palagay ko, wala naman akong nasasaktan, wala akong tinatapakan, wala akong mga kaaway. Kaya payapa ang aking isipan, lagay ang aking loob, kung kaya wala akong kailangan alalahanin patungkol sa aking security, ganun din sa aking peace and safety.
Kanina, sa introduction ko sa iyo, sabi ko, you are also an occasional model at saka occasional actor.
Baka sabihin nila, Tita Aster, napakahaba naman ng hair ko.
Di ba? So, paano ito nangyari? At kailan ito nangyari?
During my college life, Tita Aster, pinasok ko rin ang pagmamodel with Cal Caris under Audie and June Espino. That was the time when... College days,
Okay.
yes. Nung panahon na yun, Tita Aster, wala pa pong mga foreigner. So, wala pa yung mga Brazilian.
Yes, correct. Japanese, wala.
Hindi ko naman ipagmamalaki na matangkad ako. Hindi naman ako katangkaran. I guess I was enough to make it to the show.
Ramp modeling, di ba?
As one of the shortest models who would attend a go-see or audition. Hindi naman nagtagal po yun. Lalo na nung dumating yung mga foreigners, edi lalo akong lumiit.
Okay.
Ano po? At syempre yun, exotic ang mga itsura, especially here in our country. Tunay yung kasabihan that when God closes the door, He opens a window. Lahat na natutunan ko sa pag-aartista or yung mga workshops na pinagdaanan ko, ganun din ang confidence that I was able to develop from modeling. Ang siyang nagamit ko o napakinabangan ko sa politika.
Tama.
You know, there's even a survey, Tita Aster, that next to death, ang pinakamalaking takot ng tao, the biggest fear of a person, is stage fright. I don't know if you believe that, but I've seen many people who really shake, takot na takot, kapag sila ay nasa malaki at mataas na entablado, nagkakaroon ng stage fright. Ang iba pa nga nagba-blackout, right? Hindi na alam kung ano sasabihin, anong gagawin. Nawala sa akin yun. Because I had that confidence delivering my lines and to project in front of a crowd or public. Natutunan ko rin kay Ate V yung power of speaking. She is also a great communicator among
That's
others.
the most important.
Among other characteristics in public service for Ate V or Vilma Santos.
Pinaka-importante kasi is how do you deliver your speech to them, 'di ba? Kung ano yung gusto mong iparating sa kanila.
And that's one of the greatest blessings I have in my political career. Marami po akong pinagdaanan, mga bossing sa aking karera sa politika. Simulan natin sa pagiging SK Kagawad.
SK, oo.
Ang aking boss ay walang iba kundi ang dati naming SK Federation President na naging mayor ng Makati, si Junjun Binay.
Oh, talaga?
Opo.
Oo.
Kasi nagsimula po ako ng aking politika sa Makati.
Okay.
Bilang SK, sapagkat nag-aaral pa po ako sa Lasal. Kasi unfair naman kung kahit taga Batangas ako, pero lagi ako nasa Maynila dahil sa aking pag-aaral, tapos magiging absentee leader naman ako sa aming barangay. Pagka-graduate ko, in preparation for the 2004 election, dun po ako umuwi, kumandidato ako bilang bukal. When I was a board member, mayor pa lang nun si Ate V. Ang boss ko naman nun sa Kapitolyo ay ang yumaong gobernador Armand Sanchez. He's a character.
Yes.
Pero marami po ako natutunan sa kanya because he's an engineer by profession. So, during that short one term of his leadership or tenure in Batangas, marami po siyang napagawa. Napalinis po niya ang Kapitolyo. Inimpose niya ang kanyang political
He
will.
was a working mayor.
After Armand Sanchez, then Ate V became a 3-term governor of Batangas. Halos isang dekada po. At ako ang naging vice governor po niya. She is the first lady governor in the history of our province. And of course, where Ate V is, nandun din si Senator Ralph Recto. Senator Ralph, yan po ang aming mentor. Lalo higit pagdating sa economy and finance. siya po ang gumabay sa amin para panatiliin maganda ang financial standing ng Kapitolyo o Pamahalaan Panlalawigan ng Batangas noong panahon ni Ate V. 9 na taon po yon. Tapos, nung naging Vice Governor ako ni Governor Dodo Mandanas, kilala po siya bilang ekonomista. Siya rin po ay dating Dean sa De La Salle University. So, siya ay naging professor at siya ay napakalapit sa simbahan. Sabi ko nga, Tita Aster, daig ko pa ang nakapag-masteral, daig ko pa ang nakapag-doctorate kung pag-uusapan lang ay political science and public administration.
Because of your mentors. So,
Dahil sa aking mga pinagdaanan, dahil sa aking mga mentors, dahil po sa aking mga bossing, na kung ako ay mapagbibigyan sa awa ng Diyos at lagi namang una ang Panginoon, Tita Aster, kung ako po ay mapagbibigyan na tumaas-taas, banda-banda riyan. Nais kong ipagsama ang lahat ng mga best practices
Yes.
na aking natutunan sa aking mga superior, sa aking mga seniors. Gusto kong isabuhay ang kanilang mga landmarks for a better Batangas or for a better governance kung saan po ako paroroon.
how do you manage your time? I mean, being a busy public servant and then dividing also your time with business and at the same time, your time with your children. Paano mo ito namamanage?
7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Imposible naman na wala kang oras para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Kung gusto, may paraan. Kung ayaw, may dahilan.
Correct.
Kung mahal mo ang isang tao, talagang gagawa ka ng paraan. Come hell or high water. Umaraw at umulan. Talagang pag gusto, may paraan.
Nabanggit na rin lang yung word na pagmamahal. Gaano?
Kinakabahan naman dito Sabi ni Tita Aster,
Ikaw ang nagsabi
profiling.
Kumusta si Mark Leviste magmahal?
Kailanman hindi mali ang magmahal. Nalala ko
yan
bigla, Tita Aster, minsan nung ako'y nag-aaral pa, may math teacher ask us to solve a mathematical problem. Hindi ko alam kung ano isasagot. Linagay ko na lang sa test paper, magmahal. Magmahal. Halos sabihin ng teacher, Leviste, anong kalokohan to? Naghahanap ako ng mathematical solution. Bakit maglalagay ka dyan? Magmahal. Sir, kasi kailanman hindi mali ang magmahal.
Yeah. Yung pala yun. Yung
But,
pala yun. Oo.
Tita Aster, to answer your question, I'm a passionate kind of partner. I'm the truly, deeply, madly in love kind of person. I go all out. Binibigay ko ang lahat. Binibigay ko ang lahat.
And you will sacrifice even your life, your time for that person na mahal mo.
Whether you call it sacrifice or give your time, your life to something you love, someone you love, that's all that matters. Masarap ang magmahal. Masarap din ang ma-inlove.
At masarap din ang may nagmamahal.
Masarap ang nagmamahal at masarap ang minamahal. I think it's the best feeling that God ever blessed us with. That ability to love, to share the love, and even to be loved.
Kumusta na ang lagay ng puso mo? Nasaan na siya ngayon?
May ganon, Tita Aster. The last time I
They're
checked,
all watching, ha?
the last time I checked, I left my heart in America.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Alam na nila yun.
Sino sila?
Sila yung
Di
mga
ba may
nanonood sa
kanta,
atin.
May
di
kanta,
ba?
I left my heart in San Francisco. So, the last time I checked...
Any part of America? California ba?
Akala ko, alam naman nila.
Okay.
Di sila ang tanongin mo.
Okay.
Sa aking pagkaalala, ibinigay at ipinaubaya ko ang aking puso sa taong mahal ko.
Pag sinabi mo kasing yung mahal mo, and you will do everything for that person na mahal mo.
Of course.
Oo. Was there a time na kinonsider mo na mag-propose to that person? Because you're already annulled. Dumating ba sa point na yon? Yan. Na siyempre, di ba, may plans eh. Is it part of the plan?
Tita Aster, I'll tell you off-air.
Alam mo yung mga viewers natin, sabi nila, ang daya.
You're gonna get me into trouble.
Sorry not intentional ito, di ba?
No, but I was really looking
Yeah.
forward to share my life
Yes.
to you and your viewers, your friends and followers, things that they don't know or did not realize.
Pero hindi naman nagbabago yon.
Hindi.
Hindi nagbabago.
Hindi naman.
Consistent ka naman sa pagsasabing ganon, di ba? Walang nabago sa'yo sa kabila ng mga pangyayari.
Alam niyo, nag-iingat ako kay Tita Aster eh.
Wala akong
Kung saan na humantong ang
Wala akong
kwentuhan na
binabanggit
ito. eh.
Wala akong
Di ba?
binabanggit Pag pumasok ka kasi sa isang relasyon, there's always a risk. Parang sugal yan eh. Sumusugal ka sa relasyon. And I think you tried it several times.
Yes.
Ako po. Several ba? A couple of times lang.
Well, I've had my fair share
Oo.
of joy, romance, and heartbreaks.
And also, you learned a lot.
Of course,
Oo, from that,
I've learned from those experiences,
experiences.
and I treasure those memories in making me a better person. In fact, an improved partner for for my partner.
If and when mag-align ang mga, ang tawag dito, ang mga stars ba, are you ready to settle down?
Yes. I mean, kung dun ako patungo, kung dun ako dadalhin ng Panginoon, yes. At this age, with my maturity and experiences, I can safely say that I'm ready.
How much do you love this person? Na iniwan mo sa Amerika?
Can I keep that private? But I think I cannot deny that my expression,
Nakikita ko
even
naman
my
sa,
joy,
nakikita ko naman sa mukha
says it
mo.
all, you know?
Yes. Sa aura mo, di ba?
I'm proud. I'm proud of where I am. I'm proud of my love. I'm proud of what we have.
Sa gabila ng mga pagsubok. Di ba?
Wala namang perpekto sa
Wala
buhay,
naman
ganun
talaga.
din sa mundo,
Oo.
Tita Aster. It's, I guess, a matter on how a person deals with challenges, hardship, trials in life. Ganun din naman kapag tayo ay nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na lumigaya, maging masaya, binibiyayaan ng mga magagandang pagkakataon. It's also a responsibility, I guess, to be humble amidst a proud moment. So, ganun din siguro sa pagsubok. Manatiling matatag at composed, resilient sa gitna ng mga hamon at pagsubok ng buhay. Lalo na sa pag-ibig.
As far as you're concerned, walang nabago, hindi ka nagbago, ganun pa rin ang pagtatangi mo sa puso mo.
As far as I'm concerned,
As far as you're concerned. Yeah, that's
walang
why
nagbago sa akin.
Walang nagbago.
Yes.
Mahal mo pa rin siya.
Mahal ko siya.
Okay.
Yes.
That's the most important
Yes.
I admire a guy pag, na kayang panindigan yung pagmamahal nila sa isang tao. That's the most important Never ka nag-deny and you're even so proud of it. At not for anything dahil ngayon lang tayo nagkakwentuhan ng ganitong face-to-face. At kitang-kita mga kaibigan kung nandito lang kayo. Kitang-kita mo talaga kay Mark kung gaano siya ka-in love.
Pero ang hindi
ka-inspired.
nila nakikita, Tita Aster, at nararamdaman yung cold sweat ko amidst the cool climate in your studio.
Hindi eh. Di ba? But ang importante yung nakikita nila dahil nararamdaman din nila to.
Hindi mo naman pwedeng
I-deny.
dayain o
Yes.
ipeke
Yes.
ang tunay na
Nararamdaman.
nararamdaman. Lalo na yung tinatawag nilang mula sa puso. What I have
Yes.
is genuine. The genuine kind of love. Can't get any better than that. That's why I take pride in being sincere, being proud, to the point that some people misinterpret it. You cannot please everyone. And I don't intend to please everyone, especially with my own private affairs, with my relationship with my loved ones. Hindi naman sila yung involved. So, why waste my time on people who think negatively, who think wrongly about my intentions?
Bukod kay V or Vilma Santos, sino pa ang ibang mga showbiz personalities that you look up to?
Wow. Tita Aster, I was not prepared for that. No, but showbiz personalities. Mas madali sana kung tinanong mo sa akin sa politika May napaisip po ako.
Oo, di ba? Noon, gustong-gusto mo mag-artista, di ba? So somehow, kahit papano, may mga hinahangaan ka.
With all honesty,
Yes.
no joke, walang biro, walang bola, I'm a super admirer of Chris Aquino.
Wow.
Yes.
Talaga.
She knows that. I'm very proud of it. Chris is an amazing, amazing person. Beautiful inside and out. Super beautiful. I'm lucky. I'm very fortunate that she's part of my life, and I've seen a different kind of Chris. I feel very blessed to be given the opportunity to witness all of this. I'm not perfect. Napakarami pa akong kailangan matutunan, marami pa akong kakainin, but it is people like her and the other people that I have mentioned that makes me want to be a better public servant and leader. But tita, I hope this does not get me into trouble. Sa totoo lang, mula sa aking puso, talagang pinagmamalaki ko ang pagkatao at ang paghanga ko kay Kris Aquino. Oftentimes, she is misunderstood by some if not many. Pero once na makilala mo si Kris Aquino sa loob at labas ng showbiz, on or off camera, she's one of the most beautiful beings I've ever met. I'm very, very proud of it. I'm proud I'm able to share this to others so that she will be well appreciated.
And thank you so much for saying your heart out. If she's watching right now, anong mensahe mo sa kanya?
Love, love, love. No, but...
Can I hold your hands? Hindi naman ito wedding ring.
Hindi po. E di sana alam nyo na. na ikinasal kami or kailan nagkasal namin.
Parang ano siya, parang is it hindi naman ito eternity ring eh. Is it?
It's
Friendship ring?
it's a trinity ring. Pero naka-microphone kami.
Oh, diba? Narinig nyo ba? Oo.
No, it's well, you know, it's I guess an open secret.
Yes.
Because she talked about it in the past. Some other people, even publications, also
So you call
discussed
that
about it.
Trinity ring,
Yeah, it's a trinity ring.
which she gave to you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and it symbolizes love, friendship, and fidelity. That's why through thick or thin, Tita Aster, lagi ko pong suot ang singsing na galing sa kanya to symbolize, to show my love,
Your
my
commitment.
value for friendship, and my fidelity.
Ako daw ako daw yung natigilan. Parang parang hindi ko rin inaasahan.
Hindi ko rin inaasahan, Tita Aster.
Di ba? But I'm so happy na you are man enough to say what you feel, especially in showbiz.
Napapatsa ako dito. Halos
Medyo
maubos na ako.
malamig na eh. Mamo, malamig na eh. Anong parte ang gusto mong balikan?
Wala.
Bakit?
Tanggap ko, I embrace everything that has happened in my life for the last 45 years. I leave my faith to God.
Amen.
Amen.
Malapit ang birthday mo. And everybody,
Wow.
I think the whole world celebrates your birthday.
You know
Of
almost
course.
everything about me.
December-
My parents, my family, now my birthday.
December 25,
Yes, ma'am.
he's turning 46. Birthday wish mo, ngayon pa lang.
It's always been my wish, ever since, every birthday, that I live a healthy, happy, and harmonious life. Good health, happiness, and harmony. Peace of mind and peace in the heart. And that's my wish for everyone, for especially my loved ones, those who are dear and special to me. I want them to be healthy, happy, and in harmony.
Yung mensahe mo sa lahat. Mensahe mo sa lahat. Bakit gano'n ang ngiti mo sa akin? Sabi ko sa lahat.
Love, love, love. Love, love, love.
Para sa lahat?
Yes.
Okay. Bago kita pasalamatan, Mark, and bago ka mag-plug, mag-promote kung ano man gusto mong sabihin, please allow me to thank my personal sponsors. Maraming salamat sa Pandan Asian Cafe. Thank you so much, Dennis, Alvin, and of course, Roland, Ever Belena, Hello Glow, Most View from Japan, Beauty Derm, Nutritech. Thank you so much, Jos de la Luna. Aficionado by Joel Cruz, Eres Beauty Care, Vanilla Skin Clinic at Robinson's Magnolia, Nessa Tomas Morato, Richie's Kitchen by Richie Ang, Ness Astilla Salon for My Hair and Makeup, Gandang Ricky Reyes, Chato Sugay Jimenez, Joffrey Jimenez, Bebot Santos of Colorete Clothing, Studio Manila, Manila Bulletin, maraming salamat, Bobby Ricantina, Primo Skin, Red Meat, and of course, sa aking bagong sponsor, Sendwave. Huwag niyo pong kakaligtaan ang aking promo code na Aster. And you will get $20. I don't know how to thank you, anak.
No.
You're so,
It's the other way around, Tita Aster.
just the trust na nagkwento ka, nag-share ka sa amin, na hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa ating mga viewers. It's more than enough.
I
diba?
enjoyed and I feel very comfortable, tita.
Thank you so much, anak. Thank you so much, and I hope this is not the first time. Wish ko talaga na maging masaya ka. Sana tuloy-tuloy na
Masaya
ito.
naman talaga.
Hindi, di ba?
Masaya naman talaga.
Yeah, I know, pero gusto ko yung forever na ito.
Looking forward to that.
Mga kaibigan, wag niyo pong kakaligtaang mag-subscribe, mag-like, mag-share, and hit the bell icon of TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Every Friday po yan. Hanggang sa muli, mga kaibigan, dito lamang po sa TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Bye for now, and God bless us all.